қазақ елі, мен жаңағы айтқан Украина халқының ұйымдастырып жатырған шарасында жүрміз. Енді осы жерге мынау Квинс деген жерінде, Нью-Йорктың Квинс қаласында өтіп жатыр. Осы жерге жаңағы Квинстің мэрі келіпті. Міне сол кісіден мен қазір сұхбат сұрағым келіп тұр. Жаңағы не дер екен? Мен сұрақтарын қалған бәрін сіздерге сосын таныстырып берем. Hello guys.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. My name is Marjana. I'm from Kazakhstan. So the beginning the war, I'm trying support the Ukraine people also as you guys. So I wanna have the interview with you. Guys told me that I know you also. So, but you tell please about yourself and something that for Ukraine people, also for Kazakh people, please. Thank you.
Well, today is Today's it's always a solemn day when you think about what's going on in Ukraine. But they've been such an inspiration to not just us here, but people around the world. Their resolve, them showing that freedom is not free and that we have to hold the fort and hold every inch to make sure we preserve freedom is something so commendable. And we're here to support this organization and the Kuka Cafe because we need to make sure, even as people come into the United States, especially into Queens or our city, that we're giving them the tools to succeed, even through these trying circumstances where their families are back home, perhaps some family members who are fighting in the war. But today I'm just so inspired by the Ukrainian people. I was in Ukraine last October before the war, and I got to meet people who are so proud of where they come from. And they had just the greatest cuisine, like Kuga Cafe. So we need to ensure as government officials we're doing everything for people as they transition here. And I'm proud to be here. Just everything was good. The wine is great here. I would say come here 7 days a week. If you have 7 days a week, 24 hours, you could just come to the Kuka Cafe and drink the best wine, eat the best food. And Queens is the most diverse county in the country, perhaps in the world. It's a place where 190 countries are represented, nearly 350 languages and dialects are spoken, and the Ukrainian community here and beyond will always be welcome in Queens because Queens opens its arms for everyone.
So much. Also, I want to ask you about my country. If you heard about the Kazakhstan, of course you heard, right? Do you know the Kazakhstan, right?
Oh, yes,
Sure. So beginning the January this year, something happened, right? Huge event happened there. Our government shoot my peaceful people, protesters. So what do you think about that?
Well, I think the people united shall never be defeated, and I think it's great that countries coming together. Another country that you could be proud. The people are very proud. I have not visited there yet, so I look forward to one day being there. But I know you have some good cuisine, and it's found right here in Queens as well, and very good people such as yourself. So to the government there and to the people there, most importantly, I would say God bless you. In the United States, look forward to continued partnership.
So I asked you about our government, our president should no. In country, my Kazakhstan.
Okay.
I'm telling you about Kazakhstan.
Yes.
So Kazakhstan government, Kazakhstan president of Kazakhstan shoot people beginning of January this year. They just ask that they wills that they what happened there? The government raise price for the oil.
Oh, raise price for the oil.
So people went the rally. So government and the Tokayev, president of Kazakhstan, shoot that people, peaceful protesters. What do you think about that?
Well, what I would say is, I would say in Ukraine, as I would say in the United States of America and Kazakhstan, that people's rights should always be protected. People should have the right to protest in a peaceful way And I would say in any country, any democracy, that there can't be democracy for the few. That everyone should have the human right to health care, to housing, to affordable oil. And I mean, even in the United States, we're paying like $5 a gallon. I know the president is working on that. But what I would say is people have a right to peacefully protest, and I would hope that any government around the world, even in Afghanistan, that their rights would be respected.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.